Hello friends, and welcome to this tutorial in which we will learn how to use Mark eRetail Android application step by step. We will look at all the options and all the features of eRetail app. Before that, let us briefly understand what is the use of eRetail app. eRetail is a customer ordering app used for placing orders to your suppliers through app. So through eRetail app, you can place order to the person from whom you purchase goods. eRetail app can be used by distributors and retailers. Like a retailer can place order to his distributor using eRetail app. And similarly, a distributor can place order to his supplier using eRetail app. You need to understand one thing, that eRetail is not for direct consumers. eRetail is to facilitate the ordering system between intermediates like distributors, suppliers, retailers, etc. Direct consumers can use the eShopping app. So let's see how to use eRetail app. So this is the eRetail app, which you can download from Play Store if you're using Android, or from the App Store if you're using iOS. So if you are a new user, then you will firstly click on New Registration. So here you will fill your details and click on Submit. After you tap on Submit, a message will be sent on your contact number and email ID, which you have filled while registration. In this message, you will be provided a user ID and password, which has to be filled here. Once you log in, you will find a unique code in My Information option. So this is your code. This code has to be provided to your supplier for getting registered with him in his Mark ERP 9 Plus software. So if you know of any supplier who uses Mark software and you want to place order to him from this app, then you can simply tell him this code of yours. Then he'll register your code in his Mark software. Then you will be able to place him order through this app. Now once the supplier registers you in his Mark software, then you will tap here on this sync button to load the list of suppliers who have registered you in their software. So let's tap on sync. So these are the suppliers who have registered my code in their software. Down here you will find two sections. One is for registered supplier and the other is for unregistered supplier. Registered supplier means those suppliers who use Mark software. And whenever you place order to registered suppliers, then your order will be sent to their Mark software. And unregistered supplier means those suppliers who do not use Mark software. Whatever order you will place to unregistered supplier, that order will be sent on to their mobile number in form of text message. So we'll see the process of both of them. Now firstly we'll see how can we place order to a particular supplier. So suppose I want to place order to this supplier, AK Pharma. So I'll tap on him. It says sync data first, so we'll tap on sync. First, it shows the name of the supplier. To send order to the supplier directly on his software, you will tap on the orders tab. The dispatch order tab shows the dispatch status of your orders. Like the order that you have placed to the supplier has been dispatched for delivery or not. Stock status and details of every stock available with this supplier is shown here. In Outstandings tab, you can view your outstandings from the supplier. You can view your post-dated checks from PDC tab. Tax summary shows your tax summary. In ledger, you can view the details of your ledger. So firstly, let's place an order to this supplier, for which we will tap on this order tab. Then tap on new order. So these are the products available with this supplier. We can tap on search and type the name of the product which we want to order. Suppose we want to order from Amifru. So we'll type here Amifru. So here it is. Here it shows the name of the product and the company of the product and the quantity available with this supplier. So suppose I want to place an order of this product, so I'll tap on it. Then you will define the quantity that you want to order. Then click on the add sign. Similarly, we can add more products. Then after selecting the products, we'll tap on the save sign. This message is shown when the supplier sets minimum order limit for the customer. Means you need to order more quantity to reach the minimum value. Else you will be charged 50 rupees extra as set by the supplier. For now, let's just tap on charge 50 rupees. So in this way the order has been sent to the supplier. To view a list and status of orders that you have given to the supplier, you will tap on order list. So this is the order that we just sent. Pending indication means the order has not been sent to the supplier because of no internet. Done indication means the order generated through this app has been sent to the supplier in the software. Once you have internet, you can tap here to send the order to the supplier. These are the statuses of the bill which turns green when completed. Means if the bill is submitted, then the submit status will turn green. If this bill is billed by the distributor in his software, then the billed status will turn green. And if it is dispatched, then the dispatch status will turn green. We'll tap on order detail to view the details of the order that we have sent. So these are the products which are added in the order. You can update the ordered quantity before submitting the order by long pressing on that item. So before I ordered for 1 quantity, now I can change it to suppose 3 quantity. Then tap on update. Then tap on submit now to submit the order. Next is bill preview. When the order is sent to the supplier and he generates the bill in his software, then once the bill is generated in the supplier software, then you can view the complete bill preview of the order that you placed. Like the item description, quantity, MRP, rate, discount percentage, tax percentage and the final amount. Then is shortage. In shortage, the difference between those products are shown which were ordered and which were received. Like right now it shows 3 quantity under order and 2 under received. Means 3 quantity are ordered but you will receive only 2 quantity and 1 quantity is short. Next is dispatch order. Here you can view the details of your dispatch. You can also view them date wise. Next is stock status. Stock status and details of every stock available with the supplier is shown here. You can also filter the stock according to companies. You can also view whole stock, means stock with 0 quantity. Next is outstandings. Here you can view your outstandings with this supplier. Next is PDC. You can view your PDC details from here. Next is tax summary. Through tax summary, you can get a report of your taxable amount in detail or in summary. So it shows from date and to date. If you want to view the tax summary from this date to this date, then we'll tap on it. Then you have 2 options, summary and detailed. First, let's tap on summary. So here it shows the tax percentage, surcharge percentage, total amount, taxable amount, etc. If you want to view this report in detail, so you can select detailed. So you can view this report in detail with bill number. Next is ledger. Here you can view complete details of your ledger. Next option is message. Here you can view the messages that are sent to you by your supplier. Now let's come back to the main screen. Further on, here itself you can view the app discount which the supplier has set for you. Like this supplier gives you an app discount of 5%, which means on placing order through this app, you will get a discount of 5%. If below the supplier's name you see order day and collection days, then it means the supplier has set order days and collection days for you from Mark software. Order day means that on these days you can place order. Means you can place order to the supplier on Monday, Wednesday and Saturday. Collection day means on which days you have to give collection amount to the supplier. Like right now it shows Tuesday. Means on every Tuesday a person will come to your shop from the supplier's side and will take collection from you. Means your outstandings amount. Now coming down to these options, here you will find registered supplier and unregistered supplier. Through registered supplier option you can note down orders and then select to which registered supplier you want to place that order which you have noted. Basically, you can note those products over here which you will need to purchase in the future, which are running short in stock, like the way you manually note down in a diary or in a notepad. Plus, you will be able to see that which product are available with which supplier and in how much quantity. So let's tap on order. It says all suppliers data not synced. So first let's sync the data. So first let's search for the product you want to note down. Suppose kerosene. So here you see, as soon as I searched kerosene, that is the product name. So down here in the results, it's showing that with which all suppliers kerosene product is available. And here itself you can compare the rates. You can compare that which supplier is selling this product at what MRP. Like Agencies Chennai is selling this product for 44.90 rupees and Ashish Private Limited is selling this product for 32.27 rupees. So here itself you can compare the rates. Here it shows the stock quantity, means how much stock of this product is available. And here it shows the company of this product, kerosene. Then tap on the item or product which you want to order. Suppose I want to place order of kerosene to this supplier, Agencies Chennai, so I will tap on it and define the quantity that you want to order. Suppose I want to order 3 quantity. Then tap on submit. And to this supplier, I want to order 5 quantity. So the product has been added successfully. So this product has been saved. Similarly, you can add more products if you want. So I have saved 3 products in this list. Even if I go back to the home screen and come back on the order option, then too the list will be saved. If you want to change the quantity of any product, then you can simply long press on that product and change the quantity. Now if you want to send purchase order of these products to the respective suppliers, then you will press save. So these are the 2 suppliers whose order you have saved in the app. But these orders have not been submitted yet. They have just been saved in the app. Here it's showing minimum amount 250. Means the supplier has set the minimum amount as 250. But my order is 136 rupees. Now to send the order to the supplier, we'll tap on that order. Then tap on submit. Now since we didn't reach the minimum order amount, so we'll be charged 50 rupees extra. For now, we'll just tap on pay 50. Now that supplier is gone from this list because the order has been submitted to him. In the same way, we can send the order to this supplier as well. Whatever order you have placed from this app, you can view the status of all of them from this option. So you can view your order status all together at one place. Next option is delivery. You can view the dispatch status of your order altogether from here. Now let's come to the next section, unregistered suppliers. To place order to unregistered supplier, we'll tap here. Firstly, you will tap on add supplier. If you know of any supplier who doesn't use Mark software but you want to place order to him through this app, so you can define the details of that supplier over here. Then whenever you will place order to him through this app, then a message, that is SMS, will be sent to him on his mobile number, which you fill here. So let's see how. Firstly, you will fill the details of the supplier, then tap on add supplier. If you want to order for pharmacy products, then tap on pharmacy, and if you want to order for supermarket and grocery products, then tap on supermarket. Suppose we want to order for pharmacy products, so we'll tap on pharmacy. Then search for the name of the product which you want to order. And also define the quantity that you want to order. Then tap on the add sign. You can add more products if you want. Then tap on save. As soon as you tap on save, a list of those suppliers will appear whom you have added. Tap on the supplier to whom you want to send this order. Then tap on save. So in this way your order has been placed successfully. So the supplier will get an SMS in this way. To view the order details, he'll tap on this link provided in the SMS. When he'll tap on this link, then he'll be redirected to this web page where he'll find the name of the person who has placed him this order, his mobile number, and the name of the product which has been ordered and the quantity ordered. Now let's take a look at the side menu. The first option is My Information, where you can take a look at your shop ID, your firm name, your address, email ID and mobile number. Next is Add Supplier. If you want to add certain suppliers in your list who use Mark software, then you can tap on Add Supplier. You can either fill the supplier's code here or fill the city name and supplier's name. So suppose I know the code of the supplier, so I'll put the supplier's code here. Then tap on Submit. So that supplier will appear whose code you define. We'll simply tap on the supplier to add him in our suppliers list. And once again we will put the code, then tap on OK. As soon as you tap on OK, then that supplier will get added in the list of suppliers. Next is Suggest Supplier. If you know of any supplier who does not use e-business and you want to add them in your list as a registered supplier and want to connect to them through this app, then you can tap on Suggest Supplier and provide their details here. We will contact them on the same. Next is Refresh Data. You can tap here to refresh all the data from your app. Next is Profile Update. You can edit or modify your details from here. Then tap on Submit. Next is Change Password. You can simply tap here to change your password. Next is Stock Refresh. Stock Refresh refreshes the stock and products that you search while generating orders. Next is Shop Manage. Through Shop Manage option, you can place order from someone else's shop ID. Like let's take an example of an area where there are 10 to 20 chemist shops. Usually what happens is, if one shopkeeper is going to purchase goods from that area, then all the other chemist shops request him to purchase their goods as well. Like some shopkeeper says that you're going to the market, then please bring me 2 cotton packs. Some other shopkeeper says please bring 5 tablet boxes for me. Some other one says please bring 3 boxes of bandages and so on. So if that shopkeeper goes to purchase his own goods plus the other shopkeeper's goods, then that will increase the items in his bill. Plus he will have to pay more tax. So I will never want that I purchase goods for some other person's shops and pay their tax as well. This problem can be solved through Shop Manage option. If every shop is using eRetail app, then every individual shop will have their own shop ID, which you can see in My Information option. So this is your shop ID. Now if one particular shopkeeper is going to purchase goods and the other shopkeepers request him to purchase their goods as well, then what he will do is, he will simply feed the shop ID of that shopkeeper in Shop Manage option over here. So suppose the shop ID of that other shopkeeper is 16292. So I will define here. Then tap on Submit. Then when I go on shop list and tap on Sync, then here you will see that the request has been sent to him. Right now it shows pending, means he has not approved your request. To approve the request, the shopkeeper will go on Shop Manage, go on Request option, and here he will see that he has got request from your ID and your shop name will also show. To accept this request, he will tap on Accept. As soon as he taps on Accept, then in your shop list, it will show Approved. Now whenever I will place this shopkeeper's order through this app, then I can simply turn this shopkeeper ID on. You can turn on multiple IDs. Now let's place an order and see. I'll tap on order. Suppose I want to place order of Amifru, so I'll search for Amifru. Then select the item which I want to order. As soon as I select the item which I want to order, then a list of shops will appear, which I turned on from Shop Manage option. On the top, my name will show, and below all the other shops' name will show. Suppose for my shop I want to order 2 quantity. This shop has asked me to bring 5 quantity, and this shop has asked me to bring 3 quantity. Now I will tap on Submit. So you see the order has been made separately for separate shops. So in this way I will note down all the orders of all the shopkeepers. Now after noting down, I will tap on Save to send this order to the supplier. Then the list of suppliers will appear to whom order has been placed. So these are the items which you want to order, and below every item the shop name is also shown. To submit this order, we'll simply tap on submit. To view the order status, we'll tap on order status. So this is the status of my order and this is the status of the other shopkeeper's order. This order statuses will reflect in their apps also. So in this way, separate bills has been made for separate shops. Now let's move on to the next option, banned supplier. Banned supplier shows a list of suppliers whom you have banned. To ban a supplier, you'll tap on the supplier you want to ban. Tap here, then tap on ban supplier, then tap on OK. If you want to unban this supplier, then again you will go on banned supplier, then tap on that supplier, then tap on yes. Next is app setting. If you want to view the product image while placing order, then you will turn this option on. Next is printer setup. By turning printer setup on, you can print receipt after submitting the order to the supplier through a portable Bluetooth printer. So when we turn this on, it will ask for add or change printer. We'll tap on it, tap on search for devices, select the printer to which you want to connect. Once your printer is connected, you can take a test printout. If it is working, then you can print receipts. So friends, in this way we learned how to use the eRetail app. Thanks for watching.
Press the bell icon and never miss any of our videos. Hit the like button if you found this video useful. Comment to share your views. And finally subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.